Hey guys, this is going to be another quick Linux command video. Check the link in the description for more info and for copy and paste examples. The Linux man command displays system reference manuals. It can be used to display the manual for a command. So yeah, basically man, M-A-N, is for basically showing the manual page for any command. So almost all commands on any Linux or Unix system, you can look up documentation for that command using the man command. So if you want to, for example, look up the documentation for the ls command, you can do it like this. And it tells you, it tells you what it does, gives you a synopsis, a description, and it tells you all of the different switches and options and what they do. And basically everything you could possibly want to know about the man command, all the usage and how to use it, right? All the options, even the obscure ones you don't care about. It tells you all the stuff. It tells you like the author, where copyright, where to report bugs, exit status, all that sort of stuff, right? So, and it's part of GNU. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, man command. That's looking up ls. You could more useful might be find, right? This is something you're more likely to want to look up documentation for. But yes, same idea, right? It gives you the usage and how to use it. So this is one of the first commands that you're going to want to learn when you're learning Linux commands or any, Unix commands for any Unix-based system. So yeah, one of the first things you should learn is the man command, and basically it just will help you with any other command you want to find help with. Not all, worth noting, not all commands have a man page. So you might also want to look. I'm also putting out another video for the help command and for the info command. Help will help you with built-in shell stuff, many of which don't have man pages. And the info command is similar to man, but it has a lot more information and it's less standard of a utility. And there's also a TLDR command, which can also be super useful. I'm doing videos on all of these. I may or may not. I'm going to be putting these videos out on different days, but they are probably so like if you check out the info or the help command, those are probably published right before this one or right after this one. But yeah, check the same playlist. But yeah, anyways, there are a lot of other options that you can do. The only other option I'm going to show you for the man command is man-f ls, right? So you can say -f for a brief description. It'll show you what it does, right? So, oops. Yeah, you could list two commands, ls and pwd, and it's going to give you a brief description for each one, right? So brief description just to see what a command does, and you can even run man on itself, and it'll tell you all the different options and things you can do with the man command. There's a lot of options. They're not super common or needed. Mostly the main thing you're going to want to know, I mean, if you're really curious, you could look into that stuff, but the main thing you'd want to know is just that you can use man to look up help for other commands. So yeah, definitely that's basically all I wanted to show you for. This is one of the first commands you're going to want to learn, and it's really helpful to know, something you definitely should be aware of. And remember to use this if you get stuck or need help with anything. Just remember that it exists. And that's about it for the man command. Remember, check the links in the description for more info. Hit the subscribe button for more useful content like this. We also have a ton of other more interesting content covering things like coding, hardware, software, servers, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, and a whole lot more. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.